Well, let's get you a market check as we are an hour away from the closing bell. As we said, it's been a volatile trading day. Major indices still in negative territory. You see the Dow there down just almost flat, essentially about 50 points. The S&P 500 down about 0.5%, and the tech-heavy Nasdaq there down about 0.2% there. And we're seeing that in terms of sectors, it's energy leading the way down. Now, our very own Jared Blikre is joining us to take a closer look at the markets. Jared, what's catching your eye today?
That's right. Well, I'm looking at the markets here. We were green an hour ago. We were red 2 hours ago. Kind of a choppy day. And you can see that expressed here in the NASDAQ composite. That's the intraday price action. The Russell 2000, by the way, was in the green most of the day, but has slipped into the red. It has been the leader for most of the day as well. I want to take a look at our 2-month chart of the S&P 500 just to show that over the last 2 to 3 weeks, we have done just about nothing. Still just kind of trading sideways here. Maybe we need that JP Morgan bounce Thursday morning. Maybe it's going to be CPI. Have to figure out which direction we're going to get in. Just waiting for a catalyst. Then we got to take a look at the VIX. That has been elevated recently, coming off of those lows, but still within a trend channel here. Does it mean much in the long term? Hard to say, but we also take a look at the VVIX. That's the volatility of the VIX, and that is slightly elevated as well. Well, we know the bond market has been leading equities lately, and we can see just a little bit of a downdraft in the 5-year T-note yield today. That is down 0.4%. Also taking a look at the 10-year, that's down about the same amount, but the U.S. dollar has been on fire. Check this out. This is a 20-year high in the Dixie, and you take a look at what's happening with the euro. I want to show you guys something. We've been talking about parity. That would be when the euro equals $1 or 1 tether, I guess. We hit a low of 1.0004 or 1.0004 today, but did not breach that level. Probably going to see some downside washout if and when that is eventually reached. Let's take a look at some of this sector action because, as I said, it was a choppy day, but in terms of leadership, we are seeing communication services, staples, materials, industrials, and financials all outperform. That's kind of an odd leadership. Just want to close by taking a look at the software sector. ServiceNow, Bill McDermott, CEO, was on earlier today, had some negative comments about the space. And I'll tell you what, software, which has been leading over the last month, now lagging today.
I like your notion about the S&P, kind of done nothing the last 2-3 weeks. That's like all of us, isn't it? I mean,
Shauna was on vacation. Now she's back.
Yes.
Now she's back, and the markets can move.
She's been more like the NASDAQ. Yeah, we've been more like the S&P. Did you make a purchase on Prime Day?
No, I'm holding out for tomorrow. No, I woke up this morning. I didn't think about Prime Day at all. Can you believe that? That's heresy in the news business. I recognize this, but no Prime Day.
There we go.
Outrageous. We are taking attendance, so we are 0 for 1. I did. Did you?
Yeah, of course.
Okay. Well, 2 for 3.